show you a shine with diamond steps, an application on the diamond steps. So it is a new composition. It's a little bit syncopated, and you must be very with a very good basic step to do it. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. A whole Suzy Q. 1, 2, 3. Go on the side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here I will do 5 and 6. After I will close 7 and 8. So I go forward 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And syncopate, syncopate. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The linear syncopation. So I will be here, so I will push to the ground. 1 and 2. It will be here 5 and 6. After 5 and 6, so 6, so it will be 7 and 8. And go forward 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, so Suzy Q. 1, 2, 3, 5. Suzy Q. 1, 2, 3, 5. Point, diamond. Preparation, momentum. I am on 4. On 4, and I push 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Very small steps. Go forward for 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.